You may not know it, but you might be disqualified from being able to take advantage of a 1031 exchange and might be subject to 39.6% tax rate if the IRS were to consider you a dealer. The way that you can ensure that you're not a dealer is to have a corporation that owns and controls LLCs, which ultimately own the assets. If you take this approach, you will not be considered a dealer by the IRS. The IRS, notably, gets to make this decision on their own. You should make sure to contact a CPA and an attorney to make sure you follow these rules so that you're not surprised by huge tax consequences. My name is Scott Smith. I'm an asset protection attorney out of Austin, Texas. I'm a real estate investor myself, and I want to help you.
If you thought this content was good, you have to go see the Bigger Pockets podcast that I did. It was the top 10 things every real estate investor has to know about asset protection, and you can go listen to it right here.